All right, let's do a language challenge. Swedish, me, versus Polish, me. I'm going to say a couple of sentences in English, and Wiktoria here, who is excellent at translating stuff, and also Polish, is going to feed me the Polish lines, and I will say the Polish line perfectly.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
All right, let's do it.
Oi! My name is not Sven, it is Martin. Ja.
My name is Martin.
Mam na imię Martin.
What?
Mam na imię Martin.
Mam imię Martin.
Yeah?
Yeah. Okay. I am in Poland.
Jestem w Polsce.
Jestem Polsken.
Polsce.
Polskie.
Polsce.
Polskie.
Uh-huh.
No, sorry. Well, we just ate a lot of food.
Właśnie zjedliśmy dużo jedzenia. Właśnie zjedliśmy dużo jedzenia.
Właśnie duizenden minuten stemmen.
Yes. No.
No, exactly. Be honest.
Właśnie zjedliśmy
Właśnie zjedliśmy
dużo jedzenia.
dużo tema.
Oh, yeah, better.
Okay. And now I am really full.
I teraz jestem pełny. I teraz jestem pełny.
I teraz jestem pełny.
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 Pełny, aha.
Okay.
Pełny,
Oh. My brother is a daddy.
Mój brat jest tatusiem.
Mój brat jest
Tatusiem.
douchebag.
No. Not a douchebag. Okay, so once again. Or maybe the easier version. My brother is a daddy.
Yeah.
Mój brat jest tatą.
Mój brat jest
Tatą.
tatą.
Yeah.
Tatum. Okay. The sun is shining today.
Słońce świeci dzisiaj. Dzisiaj świeci słońce. So that's the better version. So
Okay.
dzisiaj świeci słońce.
Dzisiaj świeci słońce.
Słońce.
Okay. I like Polish sausages.
Lubię polskie kiełbaski. Lubię polskie kiełbaski.
Lubię polskie
Kiełbaski.
kiełbaski.
Oh, yeah, that
Oh,
was
yeah. High five. Okay, one more sentence.
Okay.
It's a lie. My Polish is improving.
Wait, I have to...
Wow, wait.
Mój polski...
It's getting better.
Yeah, it's getting better, but like I have to try to how to say it in Polish.
There's no Polish sentence for that because you
No, wait.
it just totally makes sense.
Mój polski staje się lepszy.
Mój polski staje się lepszy.
Yeah, staje się lepszy.
Lepszy.
Aha.
Okay, how do you say goodbye in Polish?
Do widzenia.
Do widzenia. How do you say goodbye in Swedish?
Hej do.
So how did that go? And be honest. No, don't be.
It went pretty good. Yes.
Oh, okay.
It went pretty good.
How's your Swedish?
And my Swedish is very bad.
Okay. What can you say in Swedish?
Hej do. Yeah.
Okay, so that was another attempt of mine of speaking Polish. I mean, if my brother can do it,
Everyone can do it.
everyone can do it.
Thanks a lot.
Okay, little brother, how do you say I am not Polish in Polish?
Ja nie polski.
She's nodding, so yeah. All right, thank you very much for watching. I'll see you next time. Click on one of my videos. Bye!
Hej do.